Hello everyone, my name is Brother Castillo and I am your instructor, your online instructor for Organizational Effectiveness B321. I want to welcome everyone to this class and wish you all a Happy New Year. This is our lesson 1 and an introduction to the class. And just for your information, each week I will be doing a brief screencast like this one to highlight the important information and deliverables for the week's lesson. This information is found all online, but I want to provide this as a service to make sure you know and understand all the information to be successful in class. So let's go ahead and get started. Our agenda for today will be to welcome you and give a brief introduction about myself. Next, I want to provide some helps and hints to be successful in the class. Then I will cover the objectives for Lesson 1, the assignments that are due for Lesson 1, and one final thought. Just by way of introduction, as I mentioned, my name is Brother Castillo. I've been a human resources professional for over 20 years and have loved it. Love being a professional, especially love teaching about it now. Last year I started a leadership consulting business to share and disseminate the information and experiences that I've gained throughout my career. I'm married to my wife Amy, and we have 3 boys, 20, 17, and 14 are their ages. I really enjoy watching college football, running, and reading spy novels. And last but not least, I live in Highland, Utah. Have been doing so for the last 11 years. And here's a picture of my family and I. Last summer we went ziplining in Park City, Utah, and had a lot of fun. So again, just little personal information about myself. Some helps and hints for this class. My first piece of advice is thoroughly review the lesson instructions. Make sure you read thoroughly through the syllabus, the lesson schedule, the reading assignment schedule, and how to understand due dates, and particularly the next couple of weeks, understand the case write-up rubric. If you're new to online learning, those who have done it before know that there's a lot of initiative that needs to be taken on the part of the student, as you're not in a going to a class with an instructor meeting face to face. So a lot will have to be self-driven, and so I want to emphasize that point. Keep up with the assignments. Read the lesson flow section in the syllabus and how things are due usually twice a week, and we'll discuss that a little further in this presentation. Make sure you pay attention to that and stay on top of this, your assignments. And then also recognize about how much time you'll need to allot to getting these assignments done. Finally, and again, it will not have one due this week, but you will have a case write-up due most weeks, and I encourage you to really put some thought into these case write-ups. Again, we'll talk about it more later, but just wanted to give you a heads up now to put a lot of thought into them. And then the other part, which will be a big part of the class, is the discussions that will be happening in the latter part of the week. So I would ask everyone to make sure you're engaged in these discussions to show that you've really learned the materials. So our objectives for Lesson 1 will be a little different because it's more of an introductory week, but it's to build relationships with class members, examine how group dynamics work, experience the team-related items in terms of creation, communication, and expectation, and discuss proper case write-ups. Now, assignments that are due for Lesson 1. So you will find, as you read about this online, things will be due midweek and toward the end of the week, which Midweek is usually midnight of Tuesday of the week of that lesson. So for this Tuesday, January 9th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time, make sure you've completed your orientation to online learning. Read the syllabus and the lesson schedule. And also make sure you do your initial icebreaker post to the discussion board. Also included with this is your recommendations for how we should, the percentages for the 4 areas of grading for this class. And again, this is covered in the syllabus. Now on Monday, the other due date, so Monday, January 15th at 8 a.m. So as far as the lesson flow, you'll have things due on Tuesdays and Mondays. Now, just as a heads up, although things are due Monday, on the following Monday of that week, typically with the Sabbath and the weekend, most people try to get things done by either Friday or Saturday. Avoid working on Sunday. So even though Monday is a due date, I encourage you to get it done before that. But what's due is the Lesson 1 syllabus quiz. That's online. And then as far as the icebreaker goes, as you'll find out, you need to reply at least 3 replies to other people's icebreaker video. The earlier the better, even though you have until Monday. Even if you wait till Thursday or Friday of the previous week, that might be a little too late. So the sooner the better. If you can get them done by Wednesday of January 10th, I would highly encourage that. And then finally, make sure you read up about the accountability project, which will be making up a significant part of your grade. So one final thought I'd like to leave with everyone, and I'll always do this, and something to think about, inspire you, and to ponder. And that is the concept of you reap what you sow. We learn about this in the scriptures. And, just some advice is to really put forth the time and the effort into this class. You'll find in the syllabus, it's very clear about the guidelines of how much time you need to invest in this. And, based on my experience with students, those that do well do put the time in. It's not about how smart or intelligent you are, but if you put the effort in, you'll not only do well in the class, but you will also, you'll also learn something very valuable in the process that I think you'll be able to use throughout your life. So, anyways, I'm excited to be teaching this class. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.